Good morning, y'all. This is Miss T Ideas. Coming to you with a very short video of something that I'm working on and very interested in. It has got my attention, and I'm gonna share it with you. Let's see if I can move this without messing up anything. This is cards. This is cards. Let's spread them out for you to see them. Isn't that a pretty scenery? Oh, how'd it go? Okay. These cards I made from a calendar, an old calendar, last year's calendar. You know the flip that you get from the Dollar Tree? This is what I made those cards out of. And it just happened to have all the scenery. And I cut it, and I didn't know what I was going to do with it because I don't like to throw away those nice pictures. And this is some postcards, if I choose them to be. But I don't know exactly. Please give me your opinion, what I should do. You know, the cards that we buy from the Dollar Tree, I love them. Those faith-based cards, I love those. I love those. So these here, I love these. I like cards. So that's what I'm playing with, these cards, and I'm thinking about what to do with these cards. I'm thinking about, should I do it exactly like a postcard and put the dates and stamps on the back? Or should I do some art on the cards? I don't know how to do art, but some stencil painting. Because these cards here, I'm going to make as a signature card for myself, and I'm going to give them in Happy Mail. Make sure I put one of these cards in here, and maybe put a note on it how I feel about the person. You know, like a greetings, a welcoming card. I'm gonna put my signature on it. So I want to make these cards out of something nice. I haven't totally decided yet. Now this one here is going to be a demonstrator card. I'm going to let you know before you make some cards like this. And I know everybody got those old calendars. Before you make a card like this, make sure you don't use water paint. I mean wet glue. I used regular glue stick. Wet glue causes bubbles. You see that? This card is no good. It causes bubbles. This is the only one I use with wet glue, for example. So, this project, I just happen to have some. This backing is like photo backing of a picture photo, and I had a lot of those that I gotten from a sale a long time ago. And I tried to keep them the same size, but I don't know what happened here. That's before I started measuring them. You know, I didn't know what I was going to do. And I haven't finished trimming the ends. I have on some, but some of them, if you see some white around it, then I haven't finished trimming. It's just some beautiful sceneries that was made out of a $1.25 calendar. I don't ever have to buy a postcard, huh? I'm fascinated with them, y'all. $1.25 made 50 cards. And I already had the backing. And what I'm doing is I'm putting old coffee dyed papers, or I just happen to have some envelopes like this. And I put it on the back. Now I'm gonna sand it around it. I'm gonna sand around it, you know. I'm gonna clean it up. This is just a project I just started. I'm gonna put antique or vintage looking coffee dyed paper in the back. This right here comes from envelopes I had that I didn't necessarily like, want to use, and so I used it there. Here. Because if you notice, postcards and cards have the antique like vintage like backing, the brownish. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put regular coffee dyed. I don't necessarily like these. I'm gonna put regular coffee dyed on the back of each one. And this cost me to do this was how much the calendar cost? $1.25. And a little bit of glue stick, just say less than $3 for the whole, all this. And that's pushing it. That's stretching it. $1.25 in the glue stick. And I just happen to have these cards to go on the back. But I'm sure you have some cards at your house. This is something that anybody can do. And this is just like a little showing what I'm working on and what I'm doing. And I'm having a good time doing it. I don't know. I still don't know what I'm going to put on the back of the card. But if y'all have some ideas, if y'all have made some of these and y'all have some ideas, give me an idea what I could do with the backs. I like the way it feels in my hand. Okay. This is Miss T Idea. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting, happy Sunday. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time on the next video.